My brother Jake had shades, head in a daze. My brother Jake, have you thought about changing your ways? He goes out, he don't have no doubt, he don't have to know what the world's about. My brother Jake, head down, he's scraping the ground. Jake, stay away, you know you can always be down. He goes out, he don't have no doubt, he don't have to know what the world's about. I say, Jake, now won't you wait, what's got into you? The candle is burning, the wheels are turning, what you gonna do? My brother Jake, and so on. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I'm the Sore Fingers again with a very ropey rendition of My Brother Jake by the fantastic Free. Okay, so standard tuning, doing it in the same key as Free originally recorded the song in. Okay, so let's break it down for you. Okay, so it starts off with a little bit of a riff. Obviously this highly a lot of this song is played on the piano. There is some guitar in it obviously, but it heavily features the piano, so you have to make allowances, I'm afraid. So little riff. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm hitting the bottom E string open, and then I'm going from the 2nd fret to the 4th fret on the bottom E string as a slide. Okay, and then you play the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and then the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, and that's the intro. Okay, then we get to the chords. Right, the first chord I'm playing is a lazy A, so I'm just barring the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 1st finger, open 5th string, and it's all downstrokes, it's all chunk, chunk, chunk. Okay, that sort of thing. So it's 2 hits on the A, so it's my brother up to a B, so A to B. So that chord, the A chord, and we play a B bar chord, 2nd fret bar, and I'm using my 3rd finger to play the mini bar on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 4th fret. You can use 3 fingers like that, or you could play it here if you wanted to. It's up to you. Bar chord 5th fret, bar chord 7th fret, whichever is up your fancy. Okay, so my brother, so it's 2 downstrokes on each chord. My brother. Then we go to a C sharp minor, 4th fret bar chord, minor shape, 2 downstrokes on that, and then back to the B chord for another 2 downstrokes. Okay, so my brother Jay, and then it goes to an F sharp minor 7th, barring the 2nd fret, 1st finger, and then the 4th fret on the 5th string with your 3rd finger, just those, the bar and the single 3rd finger there, and that's again, it's all downstrokes like that. Okay, so my brother Jay had shades, head in the days, and then it repeats. Stays there all that time for the F minor sharp minor 7th in my version anyway, and then it goes back and does the same thing again, the A. My brother Jay, have you thought about changing your ways? Exactly the same as the first time round. Okay, so you got that. So let's try that all the way from the beginning very slowly. My brother Jay had shades, head in a daze. My brother Jay, have you thought about changing your ways. And then he goes out. He goes out, and out is a G sharp minor 7th. Oh, or G sharp minor I'm actually playing, actually. Just straightforward G sharp minor, okay? So it's 4th fret bar chord, and then the 6th fret on the 5th string and the 4th string. G sharp minor, okay? And then to the C sharp minor again. Okay, so he goes out, he have no doubt. And then we go back to the F sharp minor 7th again. Okay, so it's let's just do that end of that one again. So it goes second part of the last verse, first verse rather. Sorry, my brother J, have you thought about changing your ways? He goes out, he's have no doubt. He'd have to know what the world's about. And that's an F sharp minor 7th again. So that's, he goes out, a G sharp minor, he goes out, he don't have no C sharp minor, down. He don't have to F sharp minor 7th, no, what the world's E major, straightforward E chord, okay? And then we play that riff again, intro riff again, and we do into the second verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse with different words, okay? So let's do the 2 verses together, shall we? Here we go, from the beginning, slowly. My brother J had shades, head in a daze. My brother J, have you thought about changing your ways? He goes out, he don't have no doubt. He don't have to know what the world's about. My brother J, head down, scraping the ground. Jake, stay away. You know you can always be down. He goes out, you have no doubt. You don't have to know what the world's about. Now, and then we come into the sort of singing chorusy bit, and I'm playing for this. What I'm doing is F sharp minor 7th to E, where it goes, what's the world's about? I said Jake, two downstrokes on each chord, okay? Jake, now won't you wait? What's got into you? But on that one you play 4. I'm playing 4. Okay, so it's, I said Jake, and won't you wait? What's got into you? So it's 4 on that one. It's 4 lots of E. Okay, so he goes. I said Jake, 2, won't you wait? What's got it 4 into you? And then we do a quick C sharp minor and a quick B, and then back to the F sharp minor 7th 2. Right, so so it goes. I said J, you have to wait. What's got into you? Your candle is burning, the wheels are turning. F sharp minor 7, what's gone? E, riff. My brother, into the next verse. And those are all the main parts of the song covered. Okay? And the only thing slightly different is the very end of the song. Okay? Okay, so let's do that whole thing, shall we? Here we go, from the beginning. Here we go. My brother J had shades, head in a daze. My brother J, have you thought about changing your ways? He goes out, you don't have to doubt. You don't have to know what the world's about. My brother J down, you're scraping the ground. Jake, stay away. You know you can always be down. He goes out, he don't have no doubt. He don't have to know what the world's about. I said, Jake, won't you wait? What's got into you? Your candle is burning, the wheels are turning. What you gonna do? Ah, brother Jake. Okay, and then it just basically does a verse and another chorus, and then it does another chorus. It just repeats the chorus twice. And then after you've done the very last chorus, it goes, so if I do the very last chorus where it goes, I said, Jake, don't you wait, what's got into you? The candle is burning, the wheels are turning. What you gonna do? Listen, I'm gonna break you, Jake. So there's a bit of a rundown now, because after you've done, come out the chorus and you go, listen, I'm gonna break you, Jake, because you got what it takes. Okay, so it's C sharp minor. I'm gonna break you, B, Jake, because you A got what it takes to give a F sharp minor seventh. Whole lot of people, some song, end of song. Okay, so if I do that whole thing for you again, the last chorus, I said, Jake, don't you wait, what's got into you? Your candle is burning, the wheels time is turning. What you gonna do? Listen, I gotta break you, Jake, cause I got a whole lot of people. That wasn't quite right, but you get the idea, don't you? So it goes, listen, I'm gonna break you, Jake, cause you got what it takes to take a whole lot of people, some soul. You get the idea. My vocals aren't too good. Anyway, hopefully that'll help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.